At exactly 9 a.m., the consecration and the thronement service of Right Reverend Onesmus Asiimwe kicked off with a procession from the clergy. Preaching during the service, retired Archbishop of the Church of Uganda, Emmanuel cautioned the Bishop Onesmus to beware of the challenges and temptations of this world that can deviate him from the right path.
You are a shepherd, my dear. And your Diocese is a very hot bed of politics. Sit up here.
Anyway,
Children come to you. Secondly, watch over them willingly. Watch over the children. Watch over the young people. Watch over the parents. Watch over them, but with a willing heart. Thirdly, do not take advantage of them for personal gains. And that temptation is there.
Archbishop Kazimba then consecrated Bishop Onesmus and subsequently enthroned him as the 6th Bishop of North Kigezi Diocese.
Do now enthrone you, our beloved in Christ, the Right Reverend Onesimus Asiimwe, as Bishop of the Church of God by virtue of the authority according to us.
In his charge, Bishop Onesmus pledged to improve the welfare of the clergy and improve structures of schools within his diocese.
Okumaliriza projects y'obwomeeki bw'enju ya Mukama ey'obuleberezi. Tusaba gavumenti okukuza eddwaliro lya North Kigezi Health Center 4 okugira nguze alulengo lw'eddwaliro erya Rural Hospital. Kandi nitwongera kusaba gavumenti kukwatagana n'obuleberezi kuta buli ddwaliro North Health Center alulengo lw'ahaiguru olukurataho n'okureeba ngu omubyalo hayongerwamu amalwaliro g'olulengo lwa Health Center eya kabiri. Omyaka 7 y'omumaiso ninyenda ngu mulice obuleberezi obuhikire omuli Kristo, obuleberezi obweyongeire okugira abantu ab'okutandikaho amakanisa masya, obwine amashomero ageyongeire okukola gye, obulimu amaka ageyongeire kugira amagara amarungi kandi againe entaasya ehamire, kandi obulimu abantu abali kweterana kushaba okubuulira enjiri n'okuheereza abandi abantu.
Speaking to the congregation, Archbishop Kazimba called on all clergy to stick true to church and biblical teachings.
We should stick to our gospel. May the Lord help us. The church is required to be bold in the face of adversity and liberalism. We must keep our gospel. We shouldn't succumb to material things.
It is signed, stamped and sealed. The Right Reverend Onesmus Asiimwe has duly been consecrated today and enthroned as the 6th Bishop of North Kigezi Diocese. All eyes now await to see him fulfill the promises he made during the delivery of his charge. John Jimmy Musimbi, Church of Uganda Family TV, Rukungiri District.